Dear students, in previous class we have discussed about random variable, types of random variable and variance, mean and standard deviation we have discussed, right? Once again let us discuss about this basic concept. Now what are the types of random variable? Discrete random variable and continuous random variable, right? What is probability density function for discrete random variable? First condition is p of xi greater than or equal to 0. That means probability of each element, it should be positive, and summation of p of xi equal to 1 for each I. What is meant by this p of xi? That is the sum of probabilities of each element. If you add, you will get 1. And what about continuous random variable? Function is f of x greater than or equal to 0, and here integral limit f of x dx limits from minus infinity to plus infinity equal to 1. Here only the difference is for discrete summation, for continuous integration. Okay. Now what is mean? Mean means mu or expectation of x, that is e of x, which is equal to summation x px, right? Similarly for continuous random variable, mean mu equal to e of x, which is equal to integration x px dx. Here summation x px, here integration x px dx, limits from here minus infinity to infinity. What is variance? Variance is nothing but v of x or sigma square, which is nothing but e of x square, that is expectation of x square minus e of x whole square. What is meant by expectation of x square? Here instead of expectation of x, summation x px, here we are replacing x replaced by x square, that's it. That is what? Summation x square px. And what is e of x whole square? That is a mu square, mean, right? Now similarly in the case of continuous random variable, sigma square is nothing but e of x square minus e of x whole square, but here integration x square px dx, limit from minus infinity to infinity, and e of x is nothing but mean mu, its square. And what about last one? Standard deviation, that is sigma equal to square root of variance, root v. Here also same procedure, sigma equal to root v. Now we have discussed about discrete random variables in the previous class. What are the types of discrete random variable? Now here in the case of discrete random variables, there are two types of distributions. One is binomial distribution and another one is Poisson distribution, right? Now what is probability function for binomial distribution? P of x equal to ncx p power x into q power n minus x. What is meant by p and q? P represent the probability of success, q represent the probability of failure. And for Poisson distribution, p of x equal to e power minus m power x divided by x factorial. What is meant by m? M is nothing but mean, that is n into p, that we have discussed in previous class. Here, what is the mean, variance and standard deviation of binomial distribution? Mean is nothing but mu equal to n into p. Variance is nothing but npq. And standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance, that is square root of npq, right? Similarly, in the case of Poisson distribution, mean mu equal to m only, and variance sigma square or v of x is again m only, and what is meant by standard deviation? Square root of variance, that is root m. Okay. Now in previous class we have discussed about problems related to binomial distribution as well as Poisson distribution. Now what are the types of continuous random variable? That is also very important. Now, in the case of continuous random variable, there are two types of distributions. One is exponential distribution, another one is normal distribution. Students, please refer these three charts repeatedly in each and every class because it is related to one another. And throughout the module, you are applying these three charts only. So, be careful with these three charts. First one is the difference between discrete random variable and continuous random variable. Then types of discrete random variable, that is there are two types of distribution, binomial and Poisson. Now last one is continuous random variable, in that exponential distribution and normal distribution, right? Now what is probability function for exponential distribution? Say the function of the form fx equal to alpha e power minus alpha x for each x is positive and 0 for x is negative, and alpha is always greater than 0. Okay. This is known as exponential distribution. What is mean of exponential distribution? That is mu equal to 1 by alpha. Actually, in this new syllabus, they have removed the proof. So you have to remember only this chart. Okay. Variance means what? 1 by alpha square, and standard deviation sigma equal to 1 by alpha. Here you can remember easily, mean and standard deviations are same for exponential distribution, and for Poisson distribution mean and variance are same, right? Here mean and standard deviations are same. What about normal distribution? The function of the form fx equal to 1 by sigma root 2 pi into e power minus half x minus mu by sigma whole square, where x lies between minus infinity to infinity, even mu also lies between minus infinity to infinity, but sigma is greater than 0. So this is the function for normal distribution. Okay, and what is expectation? Here everything is same. Expectation is nothing but mu is mean only, because it is normal distribution. Variance is sigma square only, and standard deviation is sigma only. Whatever we are using notation for sigma, mean, variance and standard deviation, that only here answer, because of it is normal distribution. Okay, now let us concentrate only on exponential distribution in this class. Okay, now what is the probability function here? Say fx equal to alpha e power minus alpha x, where x is greater than or equal to 0, and 0 when x is negative. This function we call exponential distribution. Okay, now mean and variance of the exponential distribution. What is mean? Mu equal to 1 by alpha, variance is v equal to 1 by alpha square, and standard deviation sigma equal to 1 by alpha. So mean and standard deviation are same in the case of exponential distribution. That only we have explained here. Okay, problems are very simple. Now let us discuss one by one problem. See here, first one. The length of telephone conversation in a booth has been an exponential distribution and found an average to be 5 minutes. Average means mean. Okay, mean means what for exponential distribution? 1 by alpha. So 1 by alpha given as 5. Okay, find the probability that a random call made from this booth, first one, ends less than 5 minutes and between 5 and 10 minutes. See, first you have to write what is the probability function for exponential distribution. Fx equal to alpha e power minus alpha x when x is positive, right? But what is given here? Mean. Mean means 1 by alpha, that is given 5. So mean equal to 1 by alpha, that is equal to 5. So what is meant by alpha? 1 by 5, right? 1 by alpha equal to 5 means alpha equal to 1 by 5. So what is fx? Just replace here. Therefore fx equal to 1 by 5 e power minus 1 by 5x. So this is required probability density function. Now let us discuss one by one. First one, the call lasts or ends less than 5 minutes. So what is the lower limit and what is the upper limit? Lower limit is 0 here because x is greater than 0. So maximum limit is 5. But for the second case, between 5 to 10, that means lower limit is 5, upper limit is 10. Here they have not given lower limit, that means you have to assume this is 0 only. Okay. Now what we will get? First one, p of x less than 5, that means 0 to 5 f of x dx. But what is f of x? We have written already 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 dx. Now integrate this 1 by 5 constant, keep it out. E power minus x by 5, if you integrate e power minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 get cancelled. Minus e power minus x by 5 remains. 0 to 5 limit. Now apply upper limit then lower limit. So minus of e power minus 1 minus e power 0. That is 1 minus 1 by e. That is 0.6321. Okay. Now second case, what is given? P of x lies between 5 and 10. That is integral limit fx dx, here limit from 5 to 10. Again what is fx? 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 dx, that we have given in previous slide. See here, fx is this only, right? Now again if you integrate 1 by 5, keep out. Integration of e power minus x by 5 is e power minus x by 5 divided by minus of 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 get cancelled. What remains? Minus e power minus x by 5 limit from 5 to 10. Apply upper limit, minus 10 by 5 means minus 2. Lower limit e power minus 1. So, minus of e power minus 2 minus e power minus 1. Or you can write it as minus you can take inside. So, that 1 by e minus 1 by e square, that is 0.2325. Right? Now, next let us discuss another problem. The duration of telephone conversation, it should be conversation, has been found to have an exponential distribution with the mean 2 minutes. It is similar as previous problem. Instead of 5, here 2 given. Find the probabilities that the conversation may last. First one, more than 3 minutes. Second one, less than 4 minutes. And between 3 and 5 minutes. First write what is mean. Mean means nothing but mu, that is 1 by alpha for exponential distribution. So mu equal to 1 by alpha equal to 2 given. So what is alpha? 1 by 2. Therefore, how to write the probability density function? Alpha e power minus alpha x, right? So fx equal to what? Alpha means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 for x is greater than 0. Now, greater than 0 means what? Up to 0 to it will take up to infinity, because actual function limit varies from minus infinity to infinity. But here first case what they given? Probability that the conversation may last for more than 3 minutes. That means minimum limit is 3. Maximum limit is what? Infinity. Okay. So p of x greater than 3. That means what? Limits 3 to infinity f of x dx. That is e power integration of e power minus x by 2. Here 1 by 2 is constant, divided by minus 1 by 2 means here 1 by 2 get cancelled. Remaining term is minus e power minus x by 2. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. E power minus infinity is 0, right? But e power plus 3 here, 3 by 2. So 1 minus, here minus keep outside. 0 minus e power minus 3 by 2, or minus of minus means plus e power minus 3 by 2, you will get the answer. Find the value from calculator. 0.2231. Second case, the probability that the conversation may last for less than 4 minutes. That means what? Less than 4 means here x less than 4. Actually lower limit is what? Minus infinity to 4. But here minus infinity, what they given? See, when x positive, then only this function defined. In other case, its value 0. So we have to choose from 0 to 4 only. Okay. So what is the limit here? 0 to 4. Okay. F of x is what? 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 dx. Now integrate this. 1 by 2 keep outside constant. Integration of e power minus x by 2 is nothing but e power minus x by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 get cancelled. What remains? Minus of e power minus x by 2 remains. Limits from 0 to 4. That is e power minus 2 minus e power 0 with the negative sign. So you'll get e power 0 means 1. So minus of minus 1 means plus 1. 1 minus e power minus 2, that is 0.8647. Okay. Now let us move to the next last one option. What is given? Third one. The probability that the conversation may last between 3 and 5. So here in this case no need to bother. Lower limit 3, upper limit 5 already given. That is what? P of 3 less than x less than 5. That is what? Integral limit 3 to 5 f of x dx. But what is f of x here? Minus half e power minus x by 2, right? Because 1 by 2 get cancelled. Now limits, apply upper limit minus lower limit. So you will get e power minus 5 by 2 with the negative sign. Minus of minus means plus e power minus 3 by 2. If you simplify, you will get 0.1410 is the solution. Okay. Now let us move to another example. In a town, the duration of rain is exponentially distributed. See here they have mentioned clearly exponentially distributed. You have to remember what is probability function. Alpha e power minus alpha x. Okay. With the mean equal to 5 minutes. Again here mean. That is 1 by alpha given it is 5. What is the probability that the rain will last not more than 10 minutes, between 4 and 7 minutes, between 5 and 8 minutes. Now first write what is exponential distribution for here mean for exponential distribution. Mu equal to 1 by alpha, that is given 5. or alpha equal to what? 1 by 5. So what is probability density function f of x? That is nothing but alpha e power minus alpha x, but alpha is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 when x greater than 0, and its value is 0 when x is negative, right? Now first condition what is given? The rain will last not more than 10 minutes. That means maximum limit is 10. Minimum limit is what? 0. You have to consider. So first case, see here, p of x less than or equal to 10. That means limit from 0 to 10 f of x dx. What is f of x? 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5. If you integrate, 1 by 5 can be keep outside. E power minus x by 5 integration is e power minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5. So 1 by 5, 1 by 5 get cancel. Remaining is minus e power minus x by 5. Limits from 0 to 10. Apply upper limit minus e power minus 2 minus e power 0. So 1 minus e power minus 2, because minus sign outside here, 1 minus e power minus 2, that is 0.8647. Next, probability that rain will last between 4 and 7 minutes. That means they have given lower limit as well as the upper limit. So what is p of 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7? Integration of f of x dx, limits from 4 to 7. That is minus e power minus x by 5, 4 to 7. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. Here minus sign is there outside. If you simplify, you will get e power minus 4 by 5 minus e power minus 7 by 5 equal to 0.2027, right? Now, the probability the rain will last between 5 and 8 minutes, that is p of 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8. Last between 8 minutes, yeah. So it will be p of x, here 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8 it should be. So 5 to 8 f of x dx. Again 1 by 5 get cancelled. If you integrate, remaining term is minus e power minus x by 5, limits from 5 to 8. So minus sign you can keep outside and simplify, you will get e power minus 1 minus e power minus 8 by 5. That is, after simplification, you will get 0.1660. Okay. Now here all problems are similar, just you need to concentrate on upper limit and lower limit only. Okay. Now last problem under this. If x is an exponential variate with mean 3, that is 1 by alpha again given, it has 3. Find p of x greater than 1, p of x less than 3. Say first probability density function for exponential distribution is what? F of x equal to alpha e power minus alpha x. And here x greater than 0 and when 0 otherwise. Now here alpha given, mean given, 1 by alpha given, that is 3. So what is alpha? 1 by 3. So this probability density function becomes what? 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3, right? When x varies from 0 to infinity or greater than 0. Now what is the first condition given? P of x greater than 1 given. Greater than 1 means instead of, you have to calculate 1 to infinity, or you can write it in the form of 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 1. Okay. If you can consider 1 to infinity also, you will get same. And if you take instead of p of x greater than 1 means 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 1 also same. So if you consider this 1 minus x less than or equal to 1 means what? Lower limit 0, upper limit 1. So integration of f of x dx 0 to 1. What is f of x dx here? 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3. Integrate and apply upper limit minus lower limit, you will get e power minus 1 by 3. Why? Because here 1 plus is there. If you apply here lower limit minus e power 0, that is e power 0 is 1, with negative sign 1 minus 1 get cancelled, remaining term is e power minus 1 by 3. Its answer is 0.7165, right? What about next one? P of x less than 3. That means lower limit already we know 0, upper limit is 3. So 0 to 3 f of x dx. So what we will get? F of x is nothing but 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3. Integrate this. 1 by 3 keep outside. Integration of e power minus x by 3 is e power minus x by 3 divided by minus 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 get cancelled. Remaining is minus e power minus x by 3. Limit from 0 to 3. Apply upper limit. So minus keep outside, e power minus 1 minus e power 0. That is 1 minus e power minus 1 or 1 minus 1 by e, which is equal to 0.6321. So this is the final answer for the given condition. See here all problems are similar. You just go through with the remaining all sums. Okay. Thank you.